Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is JM Kaundo, and guys, we are heading to Haile, and before we go to Haile, I'm going to visit a patient, a relative that is admitted at Kenyatta hospital. But before then, there is this construction that has been happening over here, and I want to show you the progress. It is an underpass that is being constructed at Selassie Avenue. So as you can see, this is a progress, and they have sealed everywhere. So I'm trying to get a clear picture of how the progress has been. I did a video from this place, and since then I have come back to see what is happening, and I can see young men working on this underpass. As you can see here, young men trying to fix this. So let me just walk you around and show you how this underpass is progressing. I can see still not very clear when it's gonna be completed. So as you can see, this is how the place looks like. There is a lot of diversion, yeah, to at least give the constructors, the guys who are doing this work, some space. As you can see, they are fixing that. So let's walk around and show you. The strange thing is that it's being guarded by the police officer, so you can't get inside. I think for security reasons, because if we have not been marked, we don't even have reflectors. So that's the reason why we can't be allowed to get inside. So let me just walk you around before we go to Haile. So I'll still be walking you around Haile to show you how Haile is looking like. More often, I think for the last 2 weeks I've been to Haile quite often, because I've been visiting there because of my relative, sorry. She has been there for close to a month. Guys, pray for her, because she is having a child that is having a problem. But I pray to God that she's gonna be fine. So that is what is happening. That is what has been taking me to Haile more often. I think you have seen more videos from Haile until you are getting bored. So that is the reason why I've been doing that. And this is how the expressway looks like, and the construction of this underpass. Yeah, they have sealed off. I think the previously you could be able to, you can see those iron sheets that have been used to seal that off. So there before you could be able to see inside. So let's go to Haile and get to see how clean Haile is. Look at this. These are the gutters from Haile. I think Wodemaya, if you come to Haile, you'll be amazed that Nairobi is also very beautiful, very clean. So we are on our way to Kenyatta hospital, and look at those electric buses. Yeah, I did a video concerning those electric buses, and they are conserving the energy. Look at this. Very beautiful, very clean. Yeah, Haile is one of the most expensive places here in Kenya where you can be able to get a plot at a very expensive rate, but it's worth it. Yeah, you can see how it looks. So for those who have been complaining about my camera, guys, bear with me. I'm still improving. I'm still working on my content creation. If you can be able to support me, I really appreciate your love and support. All right, so on this route, another electric bus. I think Kenyans are really investing more on clean energy. You can see other matatus; those are using the fuel. So Britam Towers over there, another matatu. So this route is heading to to Kenyatta Hospital. So, and then the other side you can see Britam Towers and other beautiful places. So let's head to Kenyatta Hospital. Then from Kenyatta Hospital, we're gonna be touring around and show you how Haile looks like. All right, so kindly subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. My name is JM Kaundo. I would really appreciate if you can be able to share my videos. I'm still growing my channel. Yeah, it's still very small. We are 2,000 subscribers. So hopefully we can be able to at least get to 10,000 subscribers. The channel is still not able to support me. So yes, the struggle is real. You can see the 88 Plaza over there. It's gonna be the tallest building in Kenya, I think so. 44 floors. Yeah, that is the mission. Look at this. So we are walking in the middle of the road, and I hopefully will not be able to come across the police, because if it happens, I'll be in a big mess. We have already gone to Kenyatta Hospital. You are not allowed to film from inside, so I've already seen my relative. She's doing well. The baby is okay. Yeah, so this is now the streets of Upper Hill. Yeah, I don't have much energy to walk you around. I have shown you so much about Upper Hill, so I think we're gonna be going home. So we are around the Kenya Library. That is the library over there, and then we're gonna be dropping to town. So the video today gonna be a bit short. Yeah, so yes, so my name is James Kaundo. We are from here. We're getting to this SHA thing. There's been a lot of politics about NHIF and the SHA. Wakenya, niambieni kwa wenye mmetumikiwa na SHA imekuwaje? Because I am really praying that my relative, because she really depending on that SHA, so that I can help her, because the bill is clocking more than 100k, and I have been helping her to fix that insurance. Yeah, we have been able to register and update it, and we are praying and crossing fingers that it's gonna help pay the bill, because the bill is, imagine, over 100k for just, I think, 3 weeks. So I don't know, it's our first time experiencing this. I have been having too much, there's been having too much noise about that SHA. This is the former NHIF building, so I think nowadays is now called the SHA building. I don't know. So that is where we are praying that these people are gonna help us, and the bill is gonna be paid. So that is the building, and we have some matatus over there. Okay, so that is what is happening. That is what has been taking me to Haile more often. Yeah, so hopefully everything will be okay. Yeah, so quite tired, so let me head home. Yeah, if you watch this video this far, we are dropping to town. You can see the Bunge Towers over there. So we are heading home from here. Gonna be taking a matatu. Nowadays I really walk too much. Imagine I went to Haile by foot. We are dropping to town again, and then I'm gonna be heading home. So thank you for the guys who have been supporting my channel. I really appreciate your love and support. I really appreciate everyone that, you send me your super thanks, and even liking my video, commenting feels so good. And thank you guys. Kindly subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.